Today class we talk about the trend. We want to talk about the trend, and as I mentioned, we have two type of trend in the market. The first thing, whenever you zoom all the way out and you are seeing the market destination, as you can see here, this market, it is going down, right? So the major trend, the market destination overall in a higher time frame, this market is going down. So we call this major trend. But as you know, we have one more type of trend in the market, which we call it the minor trend. And it is the last 10 minutes, 15 minutes of the market. Like on this example, you can see almost in last 10 minutes, this market is moving down. So we call this minor trend. The minor trend, it is more important for us. The question maybe it is we should follow the measure or the minor trend because we are trading, as I said, in a lower time frame, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes. It is better only and only for us to follow this minor trend. So whenever you saw this chart that the minor trend is going down, it is only better for you to follow this minor trend and placing your trade always lower option and don't try to go against it because the market wanna go down here. So the major trend it is for people like they are trading in a big time frame like 1 day, 1 week, like that. That is important for them because overall this market is going down, but as you can see the market is not straight down, it's moving in a zigzag. And here you can see it go down then reverse back, go down reverse back, go down reverse back, and go down. So that's why we're following the minor trend, and that is so much better for us. So as I mentioned, this is a uptrend movement pattern. As you know, whenever the market making higher highs, right? So this is a high, and as you can see, this one higher than this one. So we call this higher high or new high. So whenever the market making new high or higher high, we can tell this market is going up and it is continuing its uptrend, right? But there is a moment that the market wanna try to make a new high, but it failed, and from the same level you are seeing a reversal. So this is the M pattern or double top pattern, as you can see. The most people, as I mentioned, whenever they saw a breakout, a breakout of the trend line, they think this is the confirmation and the market here uh, it wanna start its downtrend like this. But no, the trend line or even this pattern here, the M pattern, they are only a sign that this market maybe start its downtrend. And these are not the confirmation, not the pattern here, the double top, and also not this breakout here, the trend line breakout. So you cannot count only and only on these one. These are only a sign that it might be the market here, maybe starting a downtrend and then end this uptrend. But none of these, they are not confirmation. I will tell you about the confirmation later here. So why I'm telling it is not still the confirmation. We cannot put our trust. Even we see this M pattern here, or we see a breakout of the trend line. They are not confirmation. Why? Because this market can stuck in a ranging here, and maybe it break up and start again its uptrend, and you will not see any changing in the direction. Like most of the example, we are seeing so many example in the market. Here, for example, see, this is a double bottom. See this downtrend. There is a double bottom here or W. So you are expecting the market to go up and go upward, right? But see, there is nothing like that. This market here again start its downtrend and going down. So these are only a sign, and these are not your confirmation to tell this market here now it start a downtrend here, or it want to change. For example, on this example, it want to start uptrend. These are not your confirmation. These are only a sign. The next thing, it is like for this, the market go up and you are seeing a head and shoulder. Yes, all of you know a head and shoulder. It is a sign that the market want to change its direction. So it may not, and it may be changed also. So this is not the confirmation. As you can see, this is the first shoulder, this is the second shoulder, and this is the head here. This is only a sign that maybe the market end this uptrend and start a downtrend. But as I said again, this is not the confirmation. For downtrend also, we have the inverted head and shoulder, which is like this. So it will create you a pattern like this. This is the shoulder, the first shoulder, this is the second shoulder, and this is the head. So this one also, it's telling you there might be a sign that the market wanna reverse, but again, this is not the confirmation. And the last sign that market will give you, the market go up and you are seeing it get in a range, this is also a sign that the market wanna change the direction, market going in a ranging. But still, this is not the confirmation, and also breaking the trend line. So here, for example, the market going up like this, right? You are seeing the market going up and it got in a range like this, right? So see here, if you be expecting breaking out of this trend line will give you change in a trend. So many people, so many traders, they rely only on trend lines. So for example, they waiting here the market break this trend line and they tell, okay, now this is a downtrend, a start. But see here on this example that I draw, can you tell the downtrend and start after the breakout? Of course not. See here the breakout happened, but the market is still following its range here, right? So the market is still it is in its range. So as you can see here, for sure there must be something else for us to conform this uptrend and downtrend start. We cannot be only rely on a trend line because the market can get in a range like this, and no, we don't know how much it wanna go in a range and stay there, right? So that is a very big problem for people who rely only on a trend line. So what should we do? As I said, we have to wait till the market break the trend line plus the last touch horizontal line. So what is my mean? For example, here, for example, let me give you a clear. Okay, for example, here, see, this is an uptrend, right? This is an uptrend. You are seeing the market here, use this here, touch this trend line, and here, touch this trend line, right? So you are seeing the market touching this trend line and reverse back, touching this trend line and reverse back. So the touch are important, that the seller's touch and the bullish candle you are seeing. Sometimes it is only the sellers. It touch the trend line, then against sellers, then against sellers. It is just sellers entry. So here you can see this is the touch, this is the touch, and this is the latest touch here, right? The newest one here, the nearest touch that we saw in a present market, this one here. So if we see here this touch and we draw with this touch a horizontal line like this. So here you can see this is the trend line and this is the last touch. If I draw a horizontal line with this touch also, the moment that the market break the trend line, still this is not our confirmation, but the moment that market break the last touch horizontal line, which you draw here, that is your confirmation. So on this example, if I draw the trend line, it will be like this, right? And if I draw the last horizontal, it is like this. So the people that they are following the here the trend line only, they will take this as a breakout and the market started downtrend, but it is totally wrong. Why? Because the market sometimes here, when it break, it will not go down, it can stay in a range here. Sometimes this happen in the market. So the last touch, which is here, we draw a horizontal line. After this breakout, after this red candle we saw break the level, this one here, right after this breakout, it is our confirmation, and we can be sure that the market start its downtrend. So for any change, for any change to the market, we have to have this breakout. So otherwise, this problem will happen to you. See? So here, as you can see, the point that I'm trying to tell it is here. So see here that you have this line. There is a trend line here and here, right? So you are waiting, for example, to market break this trend line and you tell this downtrend end and now the market wanna start uptrend, right? So this is the point that you are waiting for. But as I said, breaking the trend line itself, it is not the confirmation, and this is exactly what happened. See, the trend line broke here, but is there any uptrend start? The market move like this? Of course not. You are seeing the market remains to the downtrend here, and see it again going down, again here going down. The market stays in this downtrend. Why? Because look at the latest touch. This is a touch and this is the last touch here, right? The latest touch which the market hit and the sellers enter here. So this is the latest touch. As I told you, we have to draw with this one a horizontal line like this, and the moment that the market go up, break this trend line and then go up and break this last horizontal line, this is our confirmation. If we didn't see any breakout, if we see the market go near here and then reverse back like this, can we tell uptrend start? Of course not, because the breakout of the last horizontal line still didn't happen. So there is no chance for us to tell uptrend start. And this is in front of you. See, there is no uptrend start, even though this line here, see, it clearly break out here, a clear breakout. So every people that rely only on trend line, they will fall in this mistake and they will lose their trade here easily, because this is a breakout, but this is not the confirmation. The trend line itself, it is not the confirmation. This is the last touch here, which I draw here, the trend line with these touches, right? With this touch I draw, and with this touch, with this two touch I draw, which is the last touch here, the latest one, this one. So I draw a horizontal line with that and I will wait. So if I see a breakout of this trend line, I don't care. I will not fall in this mistake. I will not still tell that market start the uptrend. I will not ever say that. Why? Because this market right now it can anything happen. In this area here, this is a risky area. When you see trend line broke, but still it didn't break the last horizontal line. That is the riskiest area. So here the market can move anywhere and it is not a confirmation, and that is the reason that you are rely on trend line, and when it break you think the trend overall change, but it's not change and you fall in a very bad trap and you maybe lose your trade because you want to go with the trend, right? As I said, on any strategy, going with the trend, it is so much important. It is like going with the river. If you try to go against it, it will cause you so much loss. So this is the mistake here. You want to go with the buyers. You think this here, this trend line, it broke and the market will start to going up, but you forgot about the last confirmation, this line here. This is very and a very common mistake. Like on this example again here, see. So for example, you wanna follow this downtrend, right? The major trend is down, but you are seeing here a minor up, right? A minor uptrend here is there. So you wanna wait till this uptrend end and you follow the trend, which is downtrend, right? So the mistake is like if you draw here a line like this, so like this, if I draw a line like this, I will fall in this mistake, right? See, this is my trend line, and I am waiting the market start a downtrend, and I just want to follow the downtrend, right? So I draw here a trend line, and I'm seeing here a very big volume breakout. So I'm happy that my trend line got broke, and I'm ready to follow the sellers. But see what is happening here. After the breakout, who entered? Buyers entry. So that is clearly the point that I'm telling. The trend line itself, it is not the confirmation. What was the confirmation? We look at the trend line touches. This is a touch, and this one here, this is a touch, and this is the latest touch of the trend line. We draw a horizontal line with this touch, right? Here, we draw a horizontal line with this touch, right? This is the touch. We draw a horizontal line, and now we know whenever the market break the trend line plus it break the horizontal line, which it happened here on this candle. After this, I can tell now this is a downtrend and the market will fall down. If I wanna follow the minor trend down, I can do it now. This is my confirmation. So see, before that, this market it is in confusion, it is in ranging. See, here the trend line breakout happen. But can we see the market fall down? No. We are seeing the market go up again, little go down again, go up, then go down. So here it kind of ranging here the point that I was trying to tell. And this is not how we trade. We draw a horizontal line with the latest touch, which is here, and we will sit and wait till the market break that line also. And it is not no matter like here the breakout of trend line happen, right? And the market go and it take like 30 minutes, then this breakout happen. The time is not important. Sometimes the market break the trend line, then right away break the last horizontal line. So you can follow. Sometimes the market like this break the trend line first, and then it go a little up, bounce back, and then it maybe break the last horizontal line. So after this breakout, you can place your trade, lower option, and the market wanna go down. So as I said, why this is important for us, that understanding when the market wanna break and when true trend start, because of the golden zone. As I said, if we go with the trend, the chance that we win it is too high, right? So on this example here, on this chart here, you are seeing this major trend is going up, right? So see, this is a major trend overall on this section of the market here. The major trend is uptrend, right? The overall market is going up. So as I said, it is most important for us to follow the minor trend, right? So here, if the minor trend is up, we follow that. If the minor trend is down, we follow that. Again, if the minor trend is up, we follow that. Then down, we follow down. But we have a golden zone in trading. What is the golden zone? When the major trend and minor trend are in the same direction. In this example, major trend is up, right? All of these minor up, see, all of these minor uptrends, these are our golden zone. So if we trade on this zone, the chance that we win it is too much high for us. So if we try here to follow the buyers, the chance that we win it is too much higher for us. So because we are going with the trend, but in a both direction, major trend wanna go up, right? Overall, the market overall wanna go up, but right now, in the lower time frame, also the market wanna go up. That's why it is a golden zone. And what is the point of a golden zone? For example, here, see, this is a golden zone, right? If I zoom in this section here, so this is a golden zone. What is the most color that you can see in this section? This is a place major trend was up, right? As I show you the first. And now minor trend is up also. So means this is a golden zone. Major trend and minor trend are in the same direction. And both are uptrend, right? So in an uptrend, we only and only try to place higher option, and that's it. We are not trying to go against it. We are not trying to place a lower option. So can you tell me what is the most color here that you can see? Of course, it is green, right? Here, like 95% of this section of the market, it is green candles. So if you don't know anything about trading, right? If you don't know about anything about the levels, about the patterns, about the candle size, which is like big and a strong candle or a weak candle, about the continuation sign or reversal sign, about the rejection, about the wrong number, about the trend line, nothing. You, for example, you don't know anything about this. You only a guy that you know about major trend and minor trend, and you are trying to place your trade in a golden zone. So you just only know this. Nothing, no strategy, nothing. You just here place higher option. Okay, you're just following here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 win. Here you will get only 1, 2 loss. So see, you close your eyes and place higher option here. 16 win, 2 loss. See how good and amazing result only with this point you can get. just following the golden zone in the market, and that's it. You are not following anything else. So see, this is how much important to following the trend. I don't know why some people they doing this. They are seeing this market start to go up, right? And they are searching only for resistance. They draw here a resistance and they place here that they placing here the lower option, they lose. Again, they find the resistance, they placing lower option, they lose. And like that, they are fighting with this uptrend. Why are you doing this? You have to follow it. Okay, so how to understand minor downtrend is end and up minor trend is a start. Okay, very good question. As I said, the confirmation, you have the confirmation. This is your confirmation trend line here, right? And the last touch of the trend line, draw a horizontal. This is your confirmation here. This candle. This is a confirm thing for you that the golden zone start. After that, just follow it. And without uh, any fear, you can follow this trend. So see, that's why I giving you this point. This last one, it is too much important because why? Because sometimes the market here it break the trend line, but it is stuck here in a range. And for example, you want to trade with the golden zone, it will cause you so much losses because still the market didn't end the downtrend completely. It is stuck in a range. So as you can see so many times, so much of the market they stuck for some time in a range like this one here. See, it was a downtrend, is stuck in some range and then start to go up. If you don't follow the last horizontal line, you will stuck in a some ranging and you may lose your trades. So always be aware the market, see when it's going to end, there is some range on end of the trends. So that's why it is important for us that you have to follow it. So yes, the minor trend, if you, for example, here, so for example, the major trend here is down, right? Major trend is down. You want to follow the minor trend down, which the major and minor be in the same direction, right? So when you want to follow it, you have to draw with the minor. So I don't draw my trend line with the major. Why? What is the point of that? I wanna this minor uptrend. So look here. This is the major down, right? I wanna follow this minor down, wait this minor up end, then follow this minor down, wait this minor up end, then follow this minor down, then wait this minor up end, and follow this minor down, right? So here I have to draw my trend line with the minor up and the last horizontal line with the last touch and wait till the breakout happen, and then I can go easily here with the golden zone because the both major and minor are in the same direction. So there's no point to draw like this one here, this major trend line. So there is no point for us here. So that's why we wait for that. Okay, guys, so this was for today class, and we will continue the next class tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. And sorry about the internet. That's why I placed the same class again. Thank you. Goodbye.